has ever stood on that ice shelf before. That's an honor and a thrill and a privilege.
So if you're asking, do I consider myself an adventurer? I think I do. I've been out here 5 weeks. I haven't had a shower yet. And I think the first thing I do when I go home is I get a shower.
Science is going to continue. The science questions are still urgently in need of being answered, and we're going to be back here next year to continue that work.
Antarctica might seem an unusual place to study climate change, but in fact it's quite the opposite. Polar places are covered with ice, and the ice reflects sunlight, and as that ice disappears, more and more heat is trapped in the polar regions, and so these regions will warm more than other places. These are a natural place to focus our studies.
As an earth scientist, I provide information, I provide what I see is happening and what I think is going to be happening, but it's up to the public to be the stewards of this planet.
So Jenny has been very helpful. This is the time to hand out the cards. We found in the course of doing the project that the audiences always wanted to know more than we had time for in the hour and a half of the public presentations. In fact, 35 to 70% of the audiences at the public events stayed behind to interact with the scientists. And so, with support additionally from NASA, along with NSF, we came up with the booklets that are being handed out to you now. And the booklets are 10 cards featuring 10 of the researchers that we worked with. And each of those cards essentially is a big idea that we thought was essential to understanding what is happening at the poles. And so we had one with Jackie Richter.